This is a 2004 Chevy Avalanche. It's got the fog lights, alloy wheels, running boards, roof racks, satellite radio, OnStar. It's got the Z71 package. Towing package in the back. You can take this hard shell off, lower the whole back wall of the vehicle so you can have extra loading space, place to step up on. Got nice tan leather interior. Got your memory seats along with your heated seats and adjustable pedals with your windows and locks. Bose stereo system. Power seats on both sides. You also have heated seats on both sides. You got all your controls for your information center, your stereo, cruise control. It is four-wheel drive. This vehicle has 37,018 miles on it. Has a tow haul mode. 6-in CD player with a Bose stereo system. You got dual digital climate control with plenty of storage. Sunroof. HomeLink. If you're interested in checking this vehicle out, please come down to Hunter Chevrolet. That's 2520 Asheville Highway, Hendersonville, North Carolina.